Hey guys, G Crafters here again. I'm going to show you how to design the gift box for my Kit Kat. I've already done another video how I'm assembling it. So please subscribe and let's get started. To begin with, you need to open your Microsoft Word. You need to have it on your computer. And my Microsoft Word is 2007. So you go to page layout, orientation is portrait, margin is normal, size is 8.5 by 11, which is A4. And then you go to insert, shape, triangle, click in the triangle, need to be on format, height is 6 centimeter, width is 11, so that my flap at the top, insert, shape, triangle, you do another triangle, this one, the height is 1.30, the width is 11, align it with the top one, insert, shape, triangle, height is 8 centimeter by 11 centimeter, insert, shape, triangle, do another triangle, format, height 1.30 by 11, width is 11 centimeter, align it with the other one, click on the last triangle before the border and then right click, copy, right click, paste, drag it at the bottom there, make sure everything is aligned, and that's my template done, my gift box. So we need to do the sides, so I make it very easy. Click on insert, shape, triangle, just draw any and bring it down to align it with the bottom side. And the width, I only change the width, which is 2, enter, right click on it, copy, right click, paste, I've already done a video to assemble this box, but I'm going to show you how just to fill in the triangles. So So for the border, I'm going to click on shape field. I'm going to fill it with any color. You can choose any color, blue. My right side border, shape field, border, same with this, shape field, fill in with any color. This is where you're going to fold. So the other one I'm going to fill in with this, with the shape field, and then my flap, I'm going to shape field. This one I'm going to fill in with any picture or any image, any background. Click on the next one, fill in with the picture, same, insert the bottom one, click on that, shape field, picture, insert, fill in. So I'm going to print this. I've done this gift box with my LOL gift box, which I've already have a video for it. I'm going to put a link there. So I'm going to assemble this, I'm going to print it, and then I assemble this so that you can see it's the same way with the way I've done with the other gift box. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye, take care.